Do you want to learn English like a baby? Do you want to feel confident every day? Do you want to use English even if you are busy? If yes, so this episode is for you. You will learn small steps that create strong habits. Strong habits make confident English speakers. Today, I will show you how. Hello, friends. Welcome to Learning English channel, a podcast for learners who wants to feel confident speaking English. I will show you simple ways to improve English little by little, day by day. Today, we will talk about how to use English every day, even if life is busy, you feel nervous, or you don't live in an English speaking country. Some people think they must move to another country to speak English well. This is not true. You don't have to go to London or New York. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You don't need to spend hours studying every night. The key is small steps every day. Actions that are easy to do, fit your daily life, and help you feel more confident. Have you heard the word shadowing? It is a great way to improve both speaking and listening. Here is how it works. Listen to someone speaking English. Repeat the words right after you hear them. Don't stop to translate. Don't look in a dictionary. You try to copy the voice, speed, and widen. It's like being an echo. Let's try some examples. I want to speak English clearly. Now you repeat. I enjoy listening to English every day. Now you repeat. Practicing this helps me speak better. Now you repeat. At first, it may feel strange. You might not understand every word. That's fine. Shadowing is about training your mouth and brain to work together. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Many learners say, I am busy. I feel nervous. I don't know where to start. I tell them, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need to begin. Here are 5 practical ways to practice English in your daily life. Listen every day. Listening is important. It helps you learn new words, hear how English sounds naturally, understand English faster. You can listen to podcasts, songs, or short stories. Watch videos or cartoons in English. If you don't understand everything. Just listening helps your brain get used to English sounds. Listen while walking, cleaning, cooking, or relaxing. 10 minutes is enough. Repeat what you hear. After listening, speaking is next. Repeat the sentences you hear. Copy the reading and tone. For example, I want to improve my English. Now you repeat. I learn new words every day. Now you repeat. I feel more confident after practice. Now you repeat. Do this every day. Repeating helps your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence grow. It doesn't have to be perfect. Practice is the key. Think in English. Try to think in English even for small things. For example, in the morning, I am awake. I am hungry. I need breakfast. Outside, the sky is blue. The wind is cool. I see a dog. During the day, I am working. I want a break. I am tired. These small thoughts help your brain connect directly to English. Whether say them quietly or whisper, it is like a private conversation with yourself. Read aloud. Reading silently is good, but reading out loud is better. Pick an easy text. A children's book, simple stories, short dialogues. First, read slowly, then read faster, then read with expression like acting. This improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Think of it as exercise for your speaking muscles. Use English in daily life. English should be part of your daily life, not just a lesson in a book. Here are some easy ways. Here are some easy ways. Change your phone to English. Seeing English words every day helps you learn naturally. Write a short diary. Write 3 simple sentences about your day. For example, I went to school. I was tired. I listened to English. Record your voice. Speak for 1 minute about your day. Mistakes are okay. Listening to yourself helps you learn. Join online English groups. Chat with adult learners. Read posts. Send short voice messages. Watch short videos and repeat. Like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels have easy videos. Watch, then repeat sentences you hear. Even small actions help you practice English every day. Final advice: practicing English doesn't have to take a long time. You don't always need a teacher. The secret is turn small daily actions into practice. Say good morning in English. What your to-do list in English. Watch a few minutes of TV or videos in English. These small steps create strong habits. Strong habits make confident English speakers. Let the English be part of your phone, diary, thoughts, and voice. Don't treat English like homework. Use it and enjoy it. This is how your English becomes natural. So, my friends, which part did you like? Please comment below and please hit the subscribe button and share this video to help others. See you English learners in the next video.